Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Shiba Inu. Wanted to do a video earlier this morning because meme coins were actually quite strong. That has disappeared a little bit. I mean, here you can see meme coins are still some of the strongest performers. Something like BOEM, something like Bonk, something like Mew are very strong. But it was stronger earlier this morning, right? So here you can see that basically all the meme coins, which you can see here on the right, were the strongest. Still relatively strong. Dogecoin very strong. Shiba Inu is most correlated to Dogecoin when we're looking at those meme coins. And I know a lot of you are interested in Shiba. So just wanted to give you my thoughts on the current market structure and what to expect. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I'm not going to waste your time here and talk too much about things you don't need to know. Last video we did, I think, was last week. Shiba also had quite a lot of bullish momentum, as you can see right here. But what we said in that video as well is that we would probably not have a breakout, which in the end turned out to be right. We found resistance here at 1900, which in my eyes is the strongest and most important resistance level. Because what we are basically seeing with Shiba, while I look up some other information we might need. But no, what we're basically seeing with Shiba right here is that we are still consolidating. We are still in a range, all right? If you go to the 12-hour time frame, we're basically consolidating between that level at 1900. I cannot stress enough, that's a very important level. And the main support level right here at 1600, which we have been able to hold relatively well. Like if you look at a lot of altcoins actually made, compared to the end of September and the beginning of October right here, actually made lower lows. Shiba has been able to, even though it's very subtle, has been able to make higher lows right here. So that's quite interesting. To me, what seems most likely with the momentum right now in the markets is that, and that I would say structurally, that's also in line with what we're seeing with Shiba right now, is that we will revisit the top. All right, or the top of the range, the upper bound of the range, around 1850 and 1900. What you can see right now is that structurally we hit the bottom of the range. I don't see a reason yet to say that this range would break, all right, so that we would drop back down and break down below the range, depending on the election results and the movement over the next 24 hours. That is a possibility that we will break down below this. But given what we're seeing right now is some relatively strong momentum in the markets, I would say Bitcoin looks more bullish than bearish. And then looking at narratives, we can see that the meme coin narrative seems to be the strongest narrative at this point of time. All right, this morning. So it's very short term, but still it's true. So what I would say is most likely, and in between we have this level, the dotted yellow line here, that's the POC at 1785. Break above that, and I think it's confirmed. All right, then we can actually get up to the top of the range. Either way, I think that's most likely. However, and by the way, Dogecoin also still has, it seems like it has more fuel left in the tank. So due to the correlation between Dogecoin and Shiba, I think that's another reason why we will get up to the top here. Now, breaking above this level, at the moment, I would not assume that. Right, if you fundamentally look at the election, look at the stock market right now, it's just too uncertain and too unpredictable for me to tell you we're going to break above that. So I would say it is most likely under the current circumstances that yes, we will follow the structure and get up there, but then we will also follow the structure and find resistance. Right, and after that resistance, if it actually looks good enough to break out later, I'll make an update, right? And we'll talk about that, and I will try to brief you on that as soon as possible. But under the current expectation of the events of this week, I would say it's most likely we will not break out. Those are my thoughts. That's sort of thing you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.